Now the final step is showing the minimum and maximum temperature on the right section. So again, I'm going to inspect what we have and where we have these things. So on the view tab, I will search for the page, weather app, and inside weather, we have main, we have temp max and temp min in Kelvin. That's very easy. I think you know how we can change it. So again, go to VS Code, weather app.view, and on the last section, I will say here other. And here, let's again remove everything. And I'm going to copy H3 from here so that it will be consistent in styling. Then I will say max and then temperature, and here what we need to do, we need to say weather dot mean dot, instead of pressure I will say temp hyphen max, and that's because where we have used temp underscore max. So again, anonymous component weather main and temp underscore max. So it's again in it will be degrees, so and deg and semicolon. So maximum temperature is this, but it's not in degree, it's in Kelvin. So we need to subtract again what the same we have done here. We need to do same thing again. So let's use math.round. So I will say math.round, that exactly we have used here on the temp section temperature. Here we have. So next is here, and inside that what we are saying that just subtract 273, and that will become, instead of Kelvin, it will now in degree. So degree Celsius, so capital C. So for minimum temperature we need to replicate the same thing, and then I will say min, and here I will again say min, and everything will work absolutely fine. So 7 degrees minimum, 13 degrees maximum, and 10 degrees the current temperature. And here it's very hot so max 35, min 35. What's going on? I think something wrong here, because it's not 35, it's 45 so let me check whether it is correct or not. Weather Bhopal, yeah, you can see it's a graph is like 40 something, so it's very hot here. And let's recheck here that everything is fine or not. So there's a incorrect reading from the website, so our code is working fine. So with that, our weather app is complete, and in the next section we will going to sanitize and refactor, or maybe some cleanup things we will do with the final step for this weather app. We will meet in the next episode. Till then, goodbye.